Hey guys, Zed Productions here. In this video I have the Glock 34 CO2 airsoft gun in front of me. This is a 6mm airsoft BB gun that was $250 on Amazon. And the link is down in the description below if you guys are interested in purchasing. Here's some of the features of the gun. It has a metal slide, metal barrel, semi-auto, and it also has hop-up. Down here are some warnings for cancer and reproductive harm, as well as this gun is not a toy. On the back you have your Glock Perfection logo, Glock 34, and it also says don't brandish the gun in public. Here's some socials of Elite Force and Umarex up top. Glock Perfection on the latches too. This case is really nice, by the way. It's like a real gun case. Some paint on here, but I rubbed it off later. Traditional G-Lock case, very nice.
Gotta keep a G-Lock, just in case I see
Inside you have these back straps and the L key. There's two sizes. Both with the Gen 4 grip styling. Here's the back strap key and here's the L key for putting in CO2. Here's the gun itself, Glock 34 Gen 4. Has a very oily slide, and the slide is metal, body is polymer, goes with literally every Glock there is. 34 Gen 4, Austria 9x19. Really nice. It has a very long slide, big grip. Here's the mag. I really like how the Gen 4 mags look. On the back you can see all the where bullets would be in a real gun. It looks really nice. And in the middle is a CO2 insert hole. Pretty beefy mag. Looks nice. Has 23 rounds in the mag, and this gun has 335 FPS velocity. Also has blowback, and of course uses a 12-gram CO2 cartridge. The case has foam padding inside, and up top there's the instruction manual and a little warning booklet saying don't return to the store. You can contact Umarex directly. There's also the instruction manual, same info that I just went over on the front. Registration on the back, and this goes over safety, description, operation, and care. And here's the gun itself. It's pretty nice. It's not that heavy. It's pretty lightweight, but that's usually how airsoft guns go, and which is good. If you're playing airsoft, you know that's how it should be. The slide has a very nice realistic feel to it, very satisfying too. And on the top there's a cutout, you can see the barrel. Here's the other side, Gen 4 stippling on it, very comfy. Traditional Glock trigger with the Glock's trigger safety on it too. Serial number down here with the caliber information as well as a warning saying this is not a toy. And when you push it back, you have to cock it back. And here's the sights. Traditional Glock sights with the U in the back and a dot in the front. The mag is pretty cool. It sticks out like an extended mag would be. And here's a comparison of the Glock 34 with the Glock 17 Gen 3 and the Glock 19X Gen 5. Just a size comparison so you guys know where this Glock falls in. It's bigger than the 17 and the 19X. As you can see, the slide is bigger, the grip is bigger, and of course the mag sticks out. Personally, my favorite out of all these three would have to be the 34, just because it's a pretty big gun and I like guns that are on the bigger side. I really wish that this was a BB gun rather than the airsoft gun, so it didn't have that orange tip and it was a little heavier too. Here is the inside of the barrel. Can't really see much, but that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day.